you're close to the former parish priest of Quiapo Church?
Opo.
Yes. So, tinuruan ka niya o sarili mo, alam mo ang Ten Commandments, hindi ba?
Opo.
Oh, huwag ko nang iparecite sa iyo. Pero, may commandment, you shall not steal. Isn't that so? Tama ba ako?
Opo, ma'am.
Oh, naniwala ka bang tama iyon?
Opo.
And yet you steal. Oh, anong klaseng katoliko ka? Ngayon, are you familiar with the commandment? You shall not tell a lie.
Opo.
Oh, ngayon lang, kumaling ka sa akin eh. And still, with a plunder case against you, you remain and consider yourself to be a devout Catholic? Ikaw ba'y debotado pa rin Katoliko?
Opo.
Ay maniwala ka na lang, magdasal ka na lang ng